7:38, time to focus on business. Business editor Mike Epple joining us now. Mike, the loonie is soaring, oil not so much, but I cannot get going on business news until we talk a little hockey, my friend. What a hockey game last night.
I know, and now I can't take the jersey off, apparently. They win.
It's
Gotta
good
keep the
luck.
Streak alive, right?
You're not allowed to wash it either.
No, don't worry, I wasn't going to do that anyway. Yeah, we've got the Flames winning, the dollar up, oil. Yesterday, big price spike, 6%. Talked about this this time yesterday morning, Ted. The talk was that oil production in the States was starting to slow down a little bit. And indeed, that was the case in the weekly inventories report from the U.S. Department of Energy. 1 million more barrels of crude in the stockpile. That was one of the slowest buildup levels over the past week that we've seen in several months. This morning, a little bit of a give back. Saudi Arabia pumping more oil. But again, the talk over from OPEC is that some cartel members want to see less production, not more. So, does the oil market continue to stabilize? What does that mean for government revenues going forward? The Bank of Canada yesterday, not near as pessimistic as some of the previous comments coming from Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz. Remember, he said the first quarter was going to be atrocious. That's not necessarily how it's going to turn out, and they've in fact sounded a little bit more optimistic on the second half of this year. So what's that doing to the Canadian dollar? Our dollar's almost at 82 cents U.S. this morning. It has gained 1.5 cents in just the past 24 hours. The double dose of positives for the currency, Bank of Canada, talk, and the price for oil going up. So we're tracking that. The exchange rate this morning, $1.22 and a bit. Netflix, a video streaming service in the States. Huge growth numbers in the latest quarter. 40 million subscribers in the U.S., 62 million worldwide. They're expanding further. Didn't quite make as much money as expected. Doesn't matter. Investors are looking at the growth prospects for this company, setting the stock price up more than 10% this morning. It's well above $500 per share. They're also talking about a stock split, so we'll track that through the trading day. And it's at a record right off the bat this morning. And deja vu all over again. Greece seeing its bond yields spike to the highest level of borrowing costs since the financial crisis of a few years back. They're pushing back against the timeline to repay what they owe to the European Union. That is a potential negative and something to watch out of the Eurozone. But nevertheless, markets off to an okay start so far this morning. Go Flames, go. Ted, back to you.
Go Flames, go. Good stuff. Thank you, Mike. 7:40 plus 5. That's our business editor, Mike Epple, reporting this morning. Nice jersey, too. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.